Hey guys, Charlotte here, and I'm going to show you guys today how to make your own trap beat. All right, let's get started. First, you're going to want to create a new project and add a drum cell. Now we're going to go ahead and start with our variables. Today we're going to be working with our kick, snare, and a little bit later with our hat. Making our variables is going to make this a lot easier for us. You'll see later. Now we're going to move on to making our drum pattern. Following along with Steamville, it tells us that we're first going to play a kick drum for 3/4 of a beat. Now, how do we figure out what 3/4 of a beat is? You can think of it like a dollar. 3/4 is also equal to 3.25 or 3/4. And that's just equal to 75 cents or 0.75 beats. And so that's what we'll put inside the parentheses for what our beats equals. Let's try another one. It says we're going to play another kick drum for 1/4 of a beat. So that's just 1/4 or 0.25. And so that's what we'll put inside the parentheses and so forth with the rest of our beats. All right, now we're going to work on our hats. So let's add another drum cell and we'll get started. Now let's do a quick review on our for loops. So we have for I in range, let's just say 16. And then we'll tell it to play note 4 for 0.25 beats. Now, let's break this down. For, the first word is just the keyword that starts the loop. I is the variable name, N is the keyword that we're going to use, and range is a function that lets us tell the computer how many times to repeat, which in this case is 16. And then we have our colon and the indented space. That is very important. And then we'll tell the computer what to repeat, which is play note 4, 0.25. Now let's follow along with a couple of examples that we have on Steamville. We're going to start off with the 4 notes with beats equals 0.25. So let's go ahead and do our standard for I in range to start us off. And now in the parentheses, since they want us to do 4 notes with beats equals 0.25, I'm just going to put a 4 there. And now I'm actually going to go ahead and bring in the hat variable that we wrote in beat 1 and just bring that right down here so we can use that variable. All right, right here, it looks like we have an error and it says name hats is not defined on line 5. Can you guys figure out what's going on here? All right, now we've gotten this far and I want you guys to finish out the rest. You definitely got this. So have fun and then try making some of your own beats from what we learned with the 4 iron range loops, the 4 loops.